Here's how to arc text in Photoshop. First of all, from tool panel, select the text tool and select here your font family, select your font size, and you can change alignment and click here to select your font color. And now click on your project and write your text. Now highlight your entire text, and here you will find this arc icon. Just click on this arc icon and click on this style drop down, and here you will find a bunch of different arc style. You can select any of them. I'm selecting here arc, and here we can see my text is now arc. You can change it to vertical or horizontal arc. You can change this blending option. You can also change this horizontal and vertical direction. Then just click on OK, click on done. So that's how we can actually make arc text in our Photoshop.